Hi kids, it's me, Teacher Rose. Now we are going to talk about synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms. So what is synonyms? Synonyms are words that have the same meaning. For example, happy, glad, beautiful, pretty. Start, begin, easy, simple, rich, wealthy, right, correct, big, large, starving, hungry, afraid, scared. Now let's have a short quiz. Are you ready? Fast. Another word for fast is quick. Gift. Another word for gift is present. Big. Another word for big is huge. Did you get all the correct answer? Great job! And now let's proceed to antonyms. So what is antonyms? Antonyms are words that opposite and meaning. For example, happy, sad, day, night, up, down, wet, dry, clean, dirty, big, small, heavy, light, hot, cold, fast, slow. Now let's have a short quiz. Are you ready? Happy. Another word of happy is sad. Big. Another word of big is small. Hot. Another word of hot is cold. Did you get all the correct answer? Great job! And that will be all. Thank you for listening and watching, kids. Bye-bye!